Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Stripes. So here's the logo, Stripes. This is the actress Naomi Watts skincare line, and this is very geared towards women who are going through menopause. So they say that menopause for some women can start in their 30s and last up into their 50s. So that's new to me. I actually did not know that. I'm 42 and I'm not quite in that statistic yet, but that's something I know I need to be aware of. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So the brand is Stripes, and we got a lovely picture of Naomi Watts right there, looking fabulous. Welcome to a world where menopause is not a dirty word. So designed to make change, inspire confidence, and offer holistic solutions that work. So I do believe they sent me 2 items. I also have a link for you guys to check out, as well as a discount code. If you do choose the link if you choose to use the link or the discount code, I do get a small commission. Thank you for your support. So let's see what we've got here. So wow, these feel pretty hefty. Got 2 items. Ooh. Okay, loving the packaging on this. So let's start with this one. Love the textured packaging. It is called Stripes is the name of the brand. This is the Power Move. This is Ectoine Hydrating and Plumping Facial Serum. I know they tout Ectoine, the ingredient Ectoine on the website. I don't know much about it. I will have to read up on that and learn more about it. But we got an Ectoine Hydrating and Plumping Facial Serum. So you're going to apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin, gently massage on the face, use balm. All right, and we got a little information thing here. Wow, this has got nice weight to it. It feels like glass. Is that? Yeah, I think that's glass. No wonder it's got weight to it. That's always interesting. A lot of times whenever they house skincare products, if you ever notice, like some brands, the certain products are in like really thin plastic, others are in hard plastic, others are in glass. That's because certain ingredients only hold in certain containers. So if they don't put it in glass, for example, the potency of the formulation will basically lose its power, or it'll go bad, it'll go rancid, or it'll just expire quickly. So this is interesting to me that it's in a glass container, because we don't often see glass pump bottles. So I'm really excited to check this out. Well, I shouldn't say we don't often see, because foundations, for example, there we go. In makeup, you see a lot of foundation in glass bottles with pumps. It needs to be housed that way to maintain the integrity of the product, I guess is a way to say it. So this is the Power Move Ectoine Hydrating and Plumping Facial Serum. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it started. Okay, nice amount came out, and let's take a look at that. Nice and lightweight. My skin's absorbing it really fast. Has a really, that smells really good. Has a really clean, fresh scent. It smells really pretty. I like it. Yeah, I like it. But I have to keep in mind I have put other things on my hand recently, so it could be that. I'm like, is it that? Well, it feels really nice. It feels very moisturizing, but it's not greasy. Ooh, looking forward to trying that. So, the Power Move. This sounds really cool. This is Stripes, the Full Monty. This is the Squalane Hydrating Vitamin C Body Oil. Wow. Okay, the silky blend of moisturizing squalane, antioxidant-rich acai oil, vitamin C, E, and kakadu plum delivers deep hydration and an all-over glow to menopausal skin. I am curious. I'll have to look it up. I'm not seeing vegan or cruelty-free on any of the packaging, so I just want to throw that out there. So squalane is derived from sharks. There is now plant-based squalene that does not require the harvesting of sharks. So I just want to give you guys a heads up if you are, you know, full on vegan beauty, clean beauty, animal cruelty free. It looks like Stripes doesn't quite fall into that category. For those of you that that's not a major concern, feel free to try it. So again, glass packaging. I do really like the packaging on this. I think that's pretty, it's very luxe. I love the presentation, you know, it's pretty cool. I do like the messaging of, you know, a lot of the beauty industry does seem to be geared towards preventing aging and not always so much of just being age appropriate for where you are. I mean, no matter what, part of the human condition is that we do age, we do go through hormonal fluctuations. So I do think it's pretty cool that this brand does have kind of like a menopause focus. So for women in their 30s and up, wow, okay, that was one pump. So let's go ahead and bring it down my arm. That smells good. Okay, it is definitely this product. Wow, it kind of smells like perfume, but not in a bad way. But it does smell good. I like it. That smells really good. Okay, and of course that feels really nice. Like, sorry if you see my bug bites. I'm living in kind of a country adjacent area right now, and even though it's been a little cold over here in Texas, the bugs have been trying to come in the house, and they love to feast upon my warm flesh. So. That feels really nice. That feels really nice. It smells really nice. Okay, well, I'm super excited about this. I do try to lean more towards vegan, cruelty-free products, but I also understand it doesn't mean that they're actively going out there and like harming animals. It just could be that the labs that they contract to formulate their products, they may be engaged in animal testing. So, I mean, it's always kind of like an offshoot, and that's why sometimes brands are not able to say that they're vegan or cruelty-free because of their manufacturing companies that they source for their ingredients. So, anyways, went off on my tangent. Sorry about that. But if you're still here and you're still watching, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love it when you guys interact with me. I love to respond to your comments. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.